So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna play um insane elevator testing. Sorry about my eyes. I don't know what is happening to them. So, yeah, let's get started. Before we get started, can you please like and subscribe in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Okay, let's start. Okay, let's get in this time. Hello, we. I died. Huh? Okay. What is this area? Secures the room 11 minutes. Okay, I'll do that later. So yeah. I don't know, maybe. Oh, someone has a sword. No, 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 run. Okay, there's the other. No. What is it? What is it? I'm gonna just stay in here. Okay, I'm hiding here. Someone will catch me here. And no one bother me here. Please. Okay. What the heck? I can't even see anything. I'm stuck. Ah, oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, it's over. Okay, someone is there. Okay, let us go already. I wanna. Someone is speaking other languages and I don't know. Google Translator. Spanish. Hi. Oh no, that's petrol. He can come here. Oh no, no, So can catch us. Petrol is gone. Hello. Look. Oh. Hello. Come here. Okay. He's gone. So, what will I buy? This. I have only 95. So, that's all I'm gonna pick. The stick. Oh, that's a hill. Oh no! Why? No, my thing is. Okay. We have to play. Okay, I'm gonna just only buy this. Bye bye. Okay, the health generator. Someone has to fight many people here. Oh my god. Okay. With this. No. No. Not this again. I hate this. What the? No. Let us go already. No. Let us go. Skinwalker. Come here. Because this is the safest place. No. Mother, please don't come here. Oh, we survived. Okay, I survived. Phew. Oh my god. Okay, next. Which is next? This. I think this. Phew, I'm here. Okay, I survived. No, everyone. No, someone has the knife. Sword out. No, please don't kill us. Okay. Someone is sitting here. I don't know where. Okay. What happened to the sun? No, he's all foggy now. Diamond dapat. Get more items here. Of course, the healing one, and this, and I don't know what to get now. Maybe those these only. Hello? Let us get. Okay. It's been no. What time with all this stuff? Wow. Oh my god. I hate this. Okay. We're here with this again. God. Yeah. Oh my god, what is happening? Someone is with it. What is that thing? Cool noodle? I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Siren head. I'm gonna hide here. Just in case I don't get murdered. Okay, and I know who is. Stop! No, stop! Okay. Okay, maybe this. Maybe the present is already open. Yes, it's open. Wow! I get this also. Oh no no no! Okay, I get this. Just in case. No. Maybe said nothing. What is this code? What is this code? 9? Okay. I don't know. The code may be in 1 of these times. Killing everyone. Yes. Kill everyone. Kill everyone. Kill everyone. Everyone. Okay. You. So guys, let's go again. Oh no, I forgot. Sorry, I had to reset. But let me just grab this. Bye bye. Hey, or maybe no. Ah, okay. Let's get this and bye bye. That's it for today. So have a nice day. Bye.